what are the biggest challenges you see right now for the India's electronics manufacturing ecosystem?
Okay, so the biggest challenges I see here now is the fact that you are getting a lot of production throughout the world. And it will not be easy for India and for all the customers to be capable to produce and to achieve fantastic results with so many products coming in India simultaneously. So what we want to do is help, because this type of platform is dramatically helping customers in India who are facing a very important ramp up, because they need to measure quality on boards that are complicated, where they are hiring a new technician and they do not have the time to do important training, no? So they need machines that can help, and these machines can really give a lot of help to companies that are ramping up dramatically, and they do not have the time to prepare all the stuff.
So what are the top challenges Delvitech faces in India?
So the top challenges are very similar to the rest of the world. Let us say the top challenge is the fact that you are bringing a totally new solution. You are bringing a next generation platform for AI. So when you go to customers, sometimes what you say, it's unbelievable, and the customer wants to touch. And I understand the customer, because really when we go to a customer, we say, whatever is on your board, we can inspect, because we can see with our eye. And the customer says, okay, how can you do it? Please explain, I don't trust, and so on. So our challenge is that we are still a small company. We are growing up in a very important way, because this year we will do more than 500% growth compared to last year.
500.
Yes, but it's still, we are still in that phase where you need to explain as much as possible, and you need to gain the trust. So it's very challenging for us to be capable to explain such a high-end technology, to let the customer understand this high-end technology, and finally to prove the technology. This is, if you want, the most important and the most difficult challenge that we face in India as well as in the rest of the world. But there is something to say. India, it's much more ready for AI than some other part of the world. Because here in India, you know, Bangalore, it's more or less heart of AI for several aspects, no? So here there are a lot of advantages, to be honest.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time, right? It's been a pleasure to speak to you, right?
Thank you, and once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations, because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market, and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks, or comments about this interview, please post it, and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you.